Happy Burt Gummer Day, mother. So we've got 3 shriekers over here. Just doing what I can with what I got. I guess I could shoot it relatively. One day at the range, you need complex carbohydrates or an MRE. A meal ready to eat. Freeze-dried, foil-sealed, can't be plastic. It is not an oxygen carrier. Includes entree, cracker pack, cheese spread, mixed fruit, beverage powder, coffee, spoon, cream substitute, candy, salt, matches, and toilet tissue. Shelf life of 10 years. Can't go wrong. Buy them all the time. Saves me trips to the supermarket.